The CPU is often dubbed the brain of the computer. It's a small but mighty component that orchestrates the symphony of functions that bring your device to life. Unlike its counterparts, the CPU's architecture isn't specialized. Instead, it's designed for general-purpose tasks, making it a jack-of-all-trades. It's a master at multitasking, managing complex instructions with finesse, and ensuring that every process gets the attention it needs when it needs it. This isn't a new role for the CPU. In fact, it's been around for decades, powering everything from the earliest mainframe computers to the sleek laptops we use today. Its evolution has been remarkable, with each generation bringing more power and efficiency. From the bulky, room-sized machines of the past to the tiny chips that fit in the palm of your hand, the CPU has always been at the heart of computing. As we look to the future, the role of the CPU is set to become even more important. Edge computing, a paradigm shift that processes data closer to where it's generated, will rely heavily on these versatile processors. Think about smart homes that react to your every command, or smart cities that can adapt to their inhabitants' needs in real time. These aren't just sci-fi fantasies, they're the next frontier in computing, and the CPU will be at the forefront, leading the charge. In the future, CPUs will be crucial in edge computing, processing data closer to where it's generated, like in smart homes and cities. The GPU, a gamer's best friend. Originally designed for rendering graphics, this powerhouse has evolved to take on a whole different level of computation. You see, unlike a CPU, a GPU is built with many smaller cores. These cores are not as individually powerful as the CPUs, but they excel in working together, making them ideal for tasks that can be done simultaneously. This is what we call parallel processing. So, what does this mean in practical terms? Well, imagine you're painting a picture. A CPU would be like a single artist with a paintbrush, meticulously adding detail to every part of the canvas. A GPU, on the other hand, would be like a team of artists, each with a paintbrush painting different parts of the canvas at the same time. The result? A completed painting in a fraction of the time. But it's not just about painting pictures or rendering game graphics. Today, GPUs have found a new playground: deep learning and artificial intelligence. Their parallel processing capabilities make them perfect for training complex AI models, crunching through vast amounts of data with ease. Looking ahead, the GPU's role is set to expand even further. We're talking about driving immersive virtual reality experiences, powering complex simulations, and facilitating even more advanced AI models. So whether you're a gamer, a tech enthusiast, or an AI researcher, the GPU is one piece of hardware you won't want to underestimate. TPUs are the new kids on the block. Google introduced them specifically for machine learning tasks. Standing for Tensor processing units, these processors bring a unique twist to the computing world. Armed with a specialized architecture, TPUs are tailored to speed up and optimize a specific type of computation that frequently pops up in neural networks. This computational favorite is none other than tensor operations, hence the name Tensor Processing Unit. Now, what's a tensor, you ask? In the simplest terms, it's a mathematical object that can be visualized as a multidimensional array of numbers. Tensors are key players in the data crunching process of machine learning. And TPUs? They're the supercharged engines that make these calculations at lightning speed. But what does the future hold for these new kids? Well, they're poised to take cloud computing to another level. Imagine faster, more efficient artificial intelligence computations, all thanks to TPUs. They're not just about making things quicker though. TPUs also bring the potential for greater accuracy in AI predictions and insights. The potential applications are vast and varied. From revolutionizing healthcare with advanced AI diagnostics to transforming finance with smarter predictive models, TPUs are set to make a big splash. Their future? Supercharging cloud computing with faster, more efficient AI computations, and potentially revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance. So, to recap, the CPU, our general-purpose guru, will remain essential in edge computing, streamlining processes in smart homes and cities. The GPU, a beacon of parallel processing, will unlock new frontiers in virtual reality and advanced AI models. And the TPU, the specialized prodigy, is set to supercharge cloud computing with its proficiency in machine learning. As technology evolves, these processors will continue to shape our digital landscape in unique and powerful ways. Stay tuned to witness their incredible journey.